Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and I just got home from Walmart. It is about 10 a.m. So I'm going to show you guys what I got, share my meal plan for the week, and then go ahead and edit this and get this up today. So I went through my cabinets, my freezer, my deep freezer, and I tried to base my meal plan for the upcoming week around things I already had so I didn't have to buy as much, as well as use up the things that I already have. So I have a yummy meal plan for the week, and today I got at Walmart, by the way, this haul was $100. I got some of the honey bunches of oats with strawberries for Matt for a breakfast option in the morning. I got a multi-pack of Kleenex, which this one came with these Kleenex wet wipes, which I really love. I actually have some of these in my bag right now. They're really good wipes. Some Reese's. We're having friends and people over this week, all of pretty much whom have kids, so I just wanted to get some treats. So I did get a couple little dessert treat things. So I got some Reese's peanut butter cups. I got some watermelon to cut up into like bite-sized pieces for the kids or for us. I've been eyeing these, the Sweet Heat Skittles. I shared these on my Insta stories in the big bag, but I didn't want to buy the big huge bag in case I didn't like them. So I finally found them in the small bag. It was like the last one at the checkout. So I'll have to let you guys know how those are. I'm kind of curious myself. Got a box of mac and cheese. I got some Spanish rice. I got some of these caramel, almond, and sea salt kind bars. I got an enchilada sauce to stock back in my little pantry cabinet. This is the one that I talk about all the time, guys, that has the recipe for the enchiladas. This is the recipe that I use. I just shared it in a What's for Dinner video. I highly recommend this to make that recipe. I got some coconut milk to stock the pantry, some creamed corn for a recipe, some refried beans for a dinner this week. We're going to have burritos one night. I got a big thing of cilantro for a couple recipes. I got some sugar snap peas for a recipe. Here are the soft tortillas for the burritos this week. I got this Entenmann's brand. This is a brand, I think it's a Northeast brand, but maybe I'm wrong. I grew up with this brand, so I love all of their products, their breads, their baked goods. But anyways, I got some milk chocolate chip cookies. They're like the mini little soft chocolate chip cookies for dessert, for, again, friends over, kids, things like that. These I love. I grew up eating these every once in a while. They're the Entenmann's brand mini crumb cakes. Really, really good. They actually taste really homemade, and I like it that they're individually wrapped. Again, kids, desserts, us, little snacks for Matt for lunch, things like that. We're going to grill out. We're going to have a really nice stretch of weather coming up, thank goodness. So I got these Angus bacon aged cheddar beef patties. We've gotten these before. They're really good to throw on the grill this week with friends. I got some bacon because I always like to have a couple things of bacon in the freezer. I got some of these Fruit Shoot raspberry apple little waters for Grady to bring for snack or for lunch. Some Fruit Shoot strawberry raspberry drinks as well. A gallon of water for the coffee maker. Got a huge thing of strawberries. We're going to throw some of these on the grill. We love grilling veggies or roasting veggies, and these never go bad in the house because we always make them on salads or, again, roast them, grill them. So I got a big thing of these. I got one of these Oscar Mayer turkey, Asiago, and Triscuit snack pack things for Matt's lunch one day this week. Some Vermont sharp white cheddar for sandwiches or burgers, and then some baby Swiss, again, sandwiches or burgers. Some large Great Value brand paper plates for grilling with friends this week. Some Downy Botanical Infusion. This is the fabric conditioner. It works really well. So I got that. I grabbed 3 Snapples for Matt in the plastic bottles. I grab these every so often. They're like 97 cents, I believe, but I got the kiwi strawberry, the raspberry peach, and the grape aid. FYI, they did have a banana one, which I was kind of repulsed by. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have tried the banana Snapple. It sounds kind of gross to me, but maybe it is really good. I have no idea. I got another sticky rice. Love having these in the freezer. They're just so good. So easy. A Jimmy Dean sausage. Some of the Hawaiian sweet, like the King's Hawaiian sort of style, but the Walmart brand hot dog buns, because we're going to do hamburgers and hot dogs this week with friends. some frozen corn for a recipe, some shredded iceberg to throw on burgers or sandwiches, some heavy cream for a recipe, and then these I'm very excited about. I love pretzel bread, pretzel buns, so when I saw these, I jumped all over it. These are the pretzel hamburger buns, and that is exactly what we're going to use them for grilling burgers. I think they're going to be really, really yummy on as like a burger bun. And then obviously if we have any left, sandwiches or a sandwich. So this is what I got this week at Walmart, and I'm going to share now with you my meal plan for the week. Okay, so meal plan for the week of May 6th through the 12th. I'm going to do some slow cooker General Tso's chicken, which I am going to do a video on, and I'll have that video up Monday. One night I'm also going to do that with rice and veggies, probably snow peas. I'm going to do a spicy beef and lemongrass soup in the crock pot. And I will link that recipe down below. It's my friend Courtney's recipe, so I'll link that below. Burritos one night with some kind of meat. Don't know yet if that's going to be chicken or beef or even pork. I'm not sure. With some refried beans and cheese. I'll make some Spanish rice and then do chips with salsa or chips with like nacho cheese or like melted cheese. Another night I'm going to do a new crock pot recipe. It is a corn chowder with chicken and chorizo sausage. I already have the chicken and the chorizo, so I just had to buy a couple things for that today, and I will be doing a video on this as well. I'm going to do burgers and dogs on the grill. I don't know what I'm going to do on the side yet, but I will definitely figure something out for the side. I was going to do my normal breakfast or leftovers, but I actually decided to cross that out and do some kind of a meatless dish, so I don't know what that's going to be yet, guys. I don't know if it's going to be like eggplant parm or some kind of zucchini noodles or some kind of pasta primavera, but I am going to do a meatless dish. And then next Saturday, I believe is the 12th, we're going to go out with friends, and then the next day is Mother's Day, so I'm not sure yet what's going on for Mother's Day, but yes, this is the meal plan for the week. So I've got 2 videos that are going to be filmed for it. This one will be up on Monday, and I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.